We're back, and today we're gonna be doing another Verzuz, and we have a little high-end versus some low-end. I'm gonna be comparing some brow products today, you guys. So I've really been into like brow gel plus marker combos these days. So I have the NYX Brow Glue and their Lift and Snatch brow pen, and I recently just got the Kevyn Aucoin True Feather Brow Marker Duo. For NYX, you do have to buy two separate products, so these do not come together. And I wanna say these are about $10 each. For this one, all of it comes in one. So you have the marker on one end, and then you have the gel on the other. So the first thing that we're going to compare is the gels to see how these work. So I like to use the gel first and then do the pen. I know a lot of people like to do it the other way around, but this is just my personal preference. So on this side of my face, I'll be using the NYX, and on this side, I'll be using the Kevyn Aucoin. So let's go in with the NYX Brow Glue. My favorite thing about this is how tiny the spoolie is, and it's not sticky at all. It's actually such a nice formula. And then I let it kind of like chill for a minute, and then I go back with my finger and kind of press it down to give me kind of like that laminated brow look, which I didn't know I was into until I started using this product. One thing I can't tell you guys is how much gel you get in the Kevyn Aucoin. Like I have no idea how much gel is in here. But they both have an expiration of 6 months, so I guess that's like standard for brow products, I'm not sure. So this is the Kevyn Aucoin wand, and then this is the NYX wand. Excuse how dirty it is. I personally would like a smaller wand. I like the smaller spoolie. Because it's bigger, you're more likely to like get it on other places besides your brows. The formula for this one is pretty good. It's not sticky either. Go down and smooth it down so I get that effect. We all have like a good brow and a bad brow. This is my good brow. So like I'm always more inclined to like this brow better because she's just like fuller. Like I don't know what, I can never get her to look exactly like her. You know, brows, you know what they say, brows are sisters, not twins, cousins, whatever they say. I like how this side looks a bit more, because it's just like a bit more filled out, a bit more fluff. Like, so the pen, they're both like kind of like markery. What I will say though is NYX, the pen is like significantly smaller. It's so much skinnier. That means I'm able to create more like hair like flicks and strokes versus like a big markery type of look. So I'm just gonna go in and I just like ever so lightly just like start just drawing in. Okay, boom. So NYX brow is filled. She's looking good. Go in with the Kevyn Aucoin. So with this one, because the pen is a bit bigger, even though the pen, the pen is bigger, I do feel like it still makes small like little strokes, but you just have to be like a bit more careful. In the process that I like the NYX side a bit better. And not to say that I don't like how it looks, but I think I prefer this side, and it looks like a smooth brow. This brow, it looks like I have a gel, something strong holding this brow down. And like I said, my brows over here look really, like my hair looks really defined on this side. Whereas this one, it's gelled down, it's smoothed down, but it's like, it's smooth. It's not as like straight, you know? But I still really like the NYX. I like them both, but I think I prefer this one. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My name is @Niara Alexis. If you have not already subscribed, what are you doing? Go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.